forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. Keep it to a premiership. Kaizer Chiefs won. Mamelodi Sundowns won. I'm joined by Philani and Mukoko.
Ngiyabonga Sipho, cela singaflethi namhlanje.
Hi, I'm Fred Namato.
I'm just making sure. Don't be too close.
No.
Yes. Sipho, yes. Social distance. Sipho ngiyajabulela ukuba nawe kule channel. iBrazo ngilingcelile bandla ngathi iBrazo ngene nawe. Sipho siyibonile igame 1-1. Mina guys, I'm not a tactical person. I am happy. I can take a draw against Mamelodi Sundowns any time of the day. Remember, Mamelodi Sundowns phela thina ishayi. Cha vele ke nje. No. Ishayo makhelwane. Ishayo igama omakhelwane. Okay, bize. Okay, kesi. Izobashaya futhi. Kodwa ke asikho lapho. Guys, I feel like Kaizer Chiefs came with the game plan yokuthi sizo defender. If we get an opportunity, sizokora. And we got an opportunity, and it's a goal. And then what happened was, Peterson, my brother, I love you. Peterson, that in English that means Peterson, you are a beard. Yes. So Peterson, too many mistakes now, my brother. This is a big club, big institution. Kaizer Chiefs, big business, biggest club in Africa. Ufake iPirates kodwa ukuze abe warm udinga iKaizer Chiefs kune verse eBhayibhelini elithi I put on the armor of God, which means you are protected.
Hallelujah.
Yes, is protected. So one too many mistakes, my brother. Peterson. Flash. We are number one. We are number one. We remain unshaken. We are reporting live from Ezulwini. Looking down. Sister Zulwini. But Peterson, my brother, we love you. But you are number one. Come on. One too many mistakes now. Enough is enough. And I know Zulungi is a part from a Kosi to a Kosi because I'm not a Kaizer Chiefs supporter. Angithandi mina Kaizer Chiefs.
Uthandani Butomntana?
Ngiyona Kaizer Chiefs. Boy, you win.
Pirates.
Boy. Usuyile into lihlula ubaba. Baba ke. So kulungisa lokho ubaba. I am Kaizer Chiefs.
By blood.
Yes, imali ngiyayithanda iblood. Uma ukuthi ungisika la kuzophumana igazi. Gold and black. Exactly. So guys, we played well. I'm happy. I can take a draw against Kaizer Chiefs. Seqhubeka phambili. Kosi for life. We are rebuilding. The cruise. We are cruising.
You are rebuilding.
This is a freeway. It means straight.
You are rebuilding.
This season.
Again.
No. This season. Sibo. Sazasuagip. No. City skis Sibo. Rome wasn't built in one day.
You've been building.
No. The smallest stadium, less 100,000 people. So you need to build.
You've been building for 10 years.
So
Oh, okay, yeah.
So
Build again.
no, he's wrong. Sibo, you're very wrong. We are building for this season. Sengivala nje. Thula Sibo. We don't want a SIM card. Thula Sibo. Asiwafuna ama SIM card. Asifuna utshwala. Sifuna izinto ezo2. Ezokubheja nebank. Phela. Sengiqedile ezokubheja, Betway Premiership nebank. Netbank ke kuyazi ukuthi yethu. Yeah, kukwenzeka iphutha but yes.
Thank you for coming. I simkayaka.